Hello there, forexbrokers.net here, and we finalized videos dedicated to the flat patterns, no less than 6 videos, because this is one of the most important pattern in the Elliott Waves Theory after the triangles. There are so many types of flats that I wanted to discuss both the theoretical aspects of a flat and also to look at an elongated flat, at an example on the current Euro-US dollar or on the recent Euro-US dollar price action. And there is one more thing to add to the flat pattern, and that is the possibility of the 10th type of flat. So far we discussed 3 types in each category, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. Another type is called a running flat, and I will build it here like this. In a running flat, I will start from here. A running flat belongs still to this category, the category that is called types of flats with a strong B wave. The B wave, or the B wave's ability to fully retrace the previous wave A, but to stay no more than 138.2 or 161.8. If it's doing that, then we have these 3 possibilities. But sometimes the B wave is so strong, imagine this is wave A. The B wave is so strong that retraces far more than 161.8 of wave A. So it goes beyond 161.8. In that case, the C wave that follows for the impulsive move, this will be the C wave. The pattern will be something like this. And this is called a running pattern, a running flat. It is the first time when the running concept is introduced to you in this trading academy. And you should have no, let's say, so far, we didn't discuss it because it's something that will appear in later parts of this academy. It is a concept that calls for a bit of an imagination, if you want, in the sense that you might have that of a bigger degree. You might have that the first wave of an impulsive wave, let's say, ends here. The market forms a running flat for the second wave, A, B, C. This would be our second wave, a second wave, and then the third wave of an impulsive move to start all the way to here. So if most of the traders will label this one 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th wave, in reality this is nothing but a running flat for the second wave. But that's a different story for material, more advanced material that will follow in this academy. At this point, it is very important to remember that this is a wave A, corrective. The B wave, corrective, probably a double zigzag or a triple zigzag or something along the way. And the C wave is impulsive, and it can be a classic impulsive or a terminal impulsive wave, just like all the rules explained here on the definition. The only difference is that the flat pattern ends below its start if it corrects a bearish trend, or above its start if it corrects a bullish trend. A running flat, imagine, can go the other way around as well. For instance, the market is in a rising bullish trend like this, and then suddenly it corrects. It goes like this, and then another move, and then another move here. How would you label this one? Normally, this is nothing but the first wave of a running flat, namely the first segment, wave A, the B wave that exceeds more than 161.8 out of wave A, and finally the C wave that fails to end into the territory of wave A. That's the rule for it. One quick trick, if you want, on flat patterns or running flats. Whenever you see this happening, then the C wave usually has the same length both in price and duration with wave A. So the thing to do is to measure the time that it took for wave A, to project it on the right side from the end of the B wave, and the C wave should take almost the same time. Also, the C wave should take about the same length in price like it took wave A. This is the right count for a running flat. The same is valid here. Judging by the eye, it should be something like this. So whenever you see something like this and then the market explodes higher or lower depending on the pattern, then that's a running flat. And the running flat usually, or a running pattern usually, forms as the second wave of a third wave extension impulsive move. Thank you for being here, and with this we end up the flat patterns, important patterns in technical analysis, and we introduce the concept of a running flat or a running correction, something that we will use very much in the future sections. Bye bye.